Hand-operated guillotine scissors TDEM 040334. Hand-operated guillotine scissors are designed for cutting insulating materials used in the repair of electric motors. Guillotine scissors consists of a frame, a table, movable and fixed blades, foot-operated clamp, and adjustable stop. The fixed blade is attached to the cross-beam of the frame. The movable blade is attached to a swinging guillotine arm and has a return spring that holds the blade open. Insulating material is held in place by pressing the pedal of the foot-operated clamp. The operating procedure for a material strip with width up to 300 mm. Set the adjustable stop to the required strip size. Place a sheet of insulating material on the table surface. Pressing the insulating material sheet against the guide, pull it out to the required size of the trim. Clamp the insulating material against the table by pressing the foot pedal. Cut, trim the workpiece by lowering the movable blade. Release the pedal. Feed the insulating material up to the adjustable stop. Clamp the insulating material against the table by pressing the foot pedal. Cut the workpiece by lowering the blade. The operating procedure for a material strip with a width of 300 mm or more. Place a sheet of insulating material on the table surface. Pressing the material sheet against the guide, slide the sheet to the required trim size. Clamp the sheet against the table by pressing the foot pedal. Cut, trim the sheet. Using a ruler, mark a line on the surface of the sheet with a scribe and a square. Release the foot pedal. Place the marked line along the cutting line of the blade, pressing the sheet against the table guide. Clamp the sheet against the table by pressing the foot pedal. Cut the workpiece by lowering the blade. Check the dimensions of the resulting workpiece. LLC Trading House Electromash will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of electrical repair equipment, with different parameters from those proposed on our website, taking into consideration various climate environments, including tropical climate. The equipment supplier for mechanization, repair process automation and testing of electric motors and transformers. Electromash Trading House. Electromash Trading House, your reliable choice.